How to fix Snapchat is a camera app error. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down to apps and further scroll down again and navigate to the Snapchat app and tap on it. Now, make sure the toggle button for camera is toggled on, and if not, then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for camera. See if the issue is fixed or not. If not, you can try to restart your device, as restarting the device fixes majority of minor issues on your iPhone. Once restarted, open Snapchat and see if your issue is fixed or not. If not, the other fix is to completely delete the app and reinstall the application. Once reinstalled, launch the app and when prompted, allow access to camera, and with this, your Snapchat error should have been fixed. So this is how you can fix Snapchat is a camera app error. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.